Are you looking for a game-changing way to earn some serious cash online? Look no further than ChatGPT, because with its cutting-edge AI technology, you can generate different types of content in mere seconds. Keep watching, because in this video, we'll show you how to leverage ChatGPT to affiliate marketing and generate a ton of free traffic, all while doing minimal work. Plus, we'll reveal a platform that can grant you massive exposure and hundreds of thousands of views. So buckle up and get ready to learn how to make money online with ChatGPT and Quora. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today, I'll demonstrate how to utilize ChatGPT to generate a ton of free traffic and make $1,200 a day passive income with ChatGPT using affiliate marketing. Thanks to ChatGPT, the workload is minimal and it'll do most of the heavy lifting for you. Additionally, I'll share a platform that'll grant you hundreds of thousands of views and massive exposure. What's truly impressive about ChatGPT is that it can create different types of content with just a few clicks. You can even keep it going if you want more. Imagine how much time and effort you can save when making money online using the software. But wait, there's more. I'll guide you step by step through the process so it'll eventually become passive. Once ChatGPT isn't free anymore, you'll still be able to earn cash without doing too much work. So make sure to stick around until the end of this video. If this is your first time on my channel, then do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay informed about my upcoming videos. And if you find value in this content, you can hit the like button and grab my free affiliate marketing guide in the description below. It's my gift to you and will provide you with other ways to make money online. Now let's dive into ChatGPT. When you visit their website, you'll witness its capabilities with 4 different examples. Although people use ChatGPT for coding, we'll be focusing on how to create content in this video. For instance, if you're a car enthusiast, ChatGPT will answer your queries regarding fixing a brake light or changing a tire. It'll provide detailed answers that you can convert into articles or blog posts. And if you're a travel blogger like me, you can use ChatGPT to write articles about the best places to visit worldwide. The opportunities are infinite with this software. You can use it to write emails, reviews, and more. Additionally, if you want to make money on Fiverr, you can offer writing services using ChatGPT. To start writing ChatGPT, create an account on OpenAI.com, click on the ChatGPT tab, and sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, generating content is just a few clicks away. But wait, there's more. I promise to show you a platform that will get you hundreds of thousands of views and exposure, and that platform is none other than YouTube. Yep, you heard that right. With ChatGPT, you can create video scripts and upload them to YouTube. If done correctly, you can earn hundreds of thousands of views and massive exposure for your affiliate marketing products. One of the easiest ways to earn money using ChatGPT is through affiliate marketing. In simple terms, it's promoting other people's products and receiving a commission on any sales made via your referral link. How can ChatGPT assist you in affiliate marketing, you ask? With its ability to produce articles, reviews, and emails within seconds, you can easily create content promoting different products with your unique referral link, and the best part, ChatGPT does most of the work for you. Here's a step-by-step guide to using ChatGPT and Quora to make money with affiliate marketing. Step 1. Find a product to promote search affiliate networks like ClickBank, JVZoo, and Commission Junction for a product that aligns with your audience on Quora. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to create content, informative and engaging content that promotes your products. Write articles, reviews, and emails, and include your unique referral link. Step 3. Find relevant questions on Quora search for inquiries related to the product you're promoting on Quora. If you're promoting a weight loss product, search for questions like, how can I lose weight fast, or what are the best weight loss supplements? Step 4. Answer relevant questions with your ChatGPT generated content, making sure to include your referral link in your response. Step 5. Rinse and repeat. Repeat this process for as many relevant questions as you can find and watch your traffic and commissions soar. To succeed with this strategy, remember to focus on providing value to the Quora community. Don't just spam your links. Instead, provide helpful and informative answers to people's questions. In conclusion, ChatGPT and Quora make a dynamic duo for affiliate marketing success. So take advantage of this innovative technology while it's still in beta and start earning passive income today. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again in the next one.